What's up, what's up, family? I got some good news, y'all. I got some great news. First of all, the good news is I'm about to be back on the road soon. I won my case against the state. I won my case against the motor vehicle. Just got my letter in the mail. I want to go over it with y'all and I want to show y'all, okay? For anybody who's ever been scammed on buying a car, for anybody who's looking to buy a car on Facebook or on eBay, or anybody who's looking to buy a used car from somebody personally, I would highly recommend that you watch this video, okay? This video is probably going to be maybe between 5 and 10 minutes. I'll try to make it as quick as possible, okay? Because I'm going to clip this back so I can share it with people. Okay, now, let me just let everybody know what happened. So, a couple months ago, I bought a van from a guy, right? I bought the van from him, and then my tags expired. I went to go renew the tags. They told me that the registration and title information that I had, that it was given to me from the person I bought the car from, was not able to be used. Basically, it was too old. You know, sometimes what happens is people will buy a car and then they'll sell it to somebody else and not tell the state that they did it. So what happens is it makes it look like somebody is fraudulently moving cars around. It's like laundering money, but laundering cars. Like if you have 5 owners of a car and you only told the state about 2 of them, 3 of those people had that car without the state knowing. That's fraudulent, okay? Now, I just want you to know and understand what happened and how you can fix this as well, because y'all know everything I do to inspire others and to give others insight into what I'm doing, okay? So long story short, I went to the NBA. They told me they wouldn't renew my stuff, and they told me my title was bad and there was nothing I could do because I couldn't get a hold of who the original owner was, right? So I went to the district court. This is what you want to do if you're scammed on a car. You want to go to your local district court or circuit court, and you want to file what we call a writ of mandamus or mandamus, okay? Again, you want to make sure that you file what we call a writ of mandamus or writ of mandamus, depending on how you want to pronounce it, okay? For those who don't know, a writ of mandamus is basically a document that any district or circuit court can use to force a local state government agency to do what they're supposed to do, right? So in my case, right, I went to the NBA. I said, hey man, can you guys let me renew my tags? They said, well, we're not going to let you renew your tags because that car is not really yours. And I told them, I said, hey, the car is mine. I just paid a guy $3,000 for it. I've been driving it. This is my car. And they said, no, we're not doing it. So I went to the court and said, hey, they won't give me this car. Obviously, it's mine. I bought it. I paid money for it. I've been driving it. So the court said, tell them motherfuckers they better give you the car. That's what this is about. All right. So let's go ahead and go over that now. All right. Let's become legally literate, family. Who with me? All right. Y'all can follow my page, Jay Giddens the Paralegal, as well if you would like legal information. I do provide some there as well. Okay, I'm not a lawyer, so I cannot technically provide you with legal advice, but I can definitely guide you, which is what a paralegal does, discusses legal information. Okay, now let me just cover up my my personal address here. Okay, now we're gonna read over this. Okay, as you see, this is from the state of Maryland, Office of the Attorney General, Anthony Brown, right? You see, this is case what? Gerald Giddens versus Motor Vehicle Administration. And I opened this case up against them because, again, they were refusing to title the car in my name. So let's read this, y'all. I want y'all to see what happened. I filed this case about 2 months ago. Okay? All right. And I asked for a waiver, a fee waiver, because normally it costs you about $165 to file this. So I had to wait for a waiver as well. But it says, Dear Mr. Giddens, enclosed, please find answer of the Motor Vehicle Administration to petition for writ of mandamus that was e-filed in the above referenced case, which is that case, right? So basically they're saying you will find enclosed the response that the motor vehicle gave to what you were saying, okay? And what I said was basically what I told y'all, which was that they won't put it in my name, okay? So let's go ahead and switch over to the next page, okay? Now, all right, so let's go ahead and read what this says, family. I'm going to go ahead and read it off in case y'all can't see it or something. Okay, it says, and this is just showing you, who the plaintiff and the defendant was. Okay, we got the plaintiff, Gerald Giddens, defendant, Motor Vehicle Administration, the MVA. Okay, this is what you want to do if the MVA plan with you about your title, your tags, your registration, any of that stuff if you legally bought your car. Okay, the Motor Vehicle Administration and its administrator, Christine Nizer, by Anthony G. Brown, the Attorney General of Maryland, and Damon Bell, the Assistant Attorney General, pursuant to Maryland Rules of Procedure Rule 2323 and 15701, answers the in this fashion, pursuant to the Attorney General and the Attorney General's Assistant's response, okay? It says the MVA is without information to admit of mandamus, right? Wherefore, the MVA will submit to judgment of this court on issuing a title to the vehicle, subject to payment of tax, titling, and transfer fees, and a valid inspection certificate, okay? So basically, they're saying that they will submit to the judgment of the court, telling them that they better title this vehicle over to me. Now, they are saying that they're only going to do it provided that I pay, the necessary fees and I get an inspection, but they are going to do it, okay? And they have to give me time to do that. So at the end of the day, we have now found ourselves climbing out of this hole that I've been in where I had no transportation, and I've been asking all you lovely people to help me and my family because I've been struggling. You know what I'm saying? So now we're kind of coming out of that, y'all. So let me show y'all real quick. For those who don't know, there's something called Westlaw, right? I'm about to teach y'all about the law real quick. So if anybody who wants to know a little bit about the law and how you would be able to read this and interpret it, pay attention for a second, okay? So there's something called, actually, let me turn my camera around and let y'all see this. All right, let me see my battery. My battery on 8%, y'all, so I can only do but so much. So I'm going to sit the camera like this. All right, while I look this up, I'm going to sit the camera like this. Hopefully y'all can, I don't know if y'all can see that. Hopefully you can see, all right? But what I'm about to, matter of fact, I'm going to take the, all right, I'm going to sit the camera like this real quick while I do a quick search, right? That's my Facebook page, y'all. Let's go to, we're going to type in Westlaw, Maryland Code, right? Now, y'all see this website right here? Let me show you. See this right here where it says Westlaw? I always recommend Westlaw. Westlaw is not they are the official, they're made by Thomson Reuters, okay? They're the official state government site that you can find all of the laws and codes for your, penal codes and things like that for your jurisdiction, okay? For Maryland, see, Maryland Code, Court, and Rules, right? So we're going to go here, okay? Bear with me, family. I don't know why this is not coming up. Hold on, y'all. Bear with me. Bear with me. We're going to go to Google. We're going to type in Maryland Westlaw. Okay? Y'all see, I want y'all to see what I'm typing in. We're going to type in Maryland Westlaw. I haven't looked this up in quite some time, y'all. Alright? I think it's Thomson Reuters site, actually. Because I think they are the official owners of it, right? No, this is, no. This is not it. I'm familiar with it because I used to be on it all the time. It's Westlaw. My apologies, family. mdcourts.gov, by the way, is another really good one that you want to use. But I like Westlaw better. Yo, this is tripping me out, y'all. Bear with me, family. MD Westlaw. What did I used to type in, bro? Listen. Westlaw, family. Hold on, let's see. Westlaw, Maryland. I'm going to type in Westlaw, Maryland family law just so I can try to get to where I was when I was pulling it up. All right, so here we go. So let's go to, all right, so, bro, why is it not coming up, though? Why is it not coming up, bro? I don't know what's going on, why it's doing this, but it's not letting me. And I apologize, family, because I really shouldn't be taking up this much of y'all time with this. But y'all can even look on previous lectures that I've done a couple months ago where I was literally on Westlaw showing you everything. So, like, it doesn't make any sense that it would not be there. I think I'm just missing, like, a key word or phrase. Westlaw, Title 9. Let me see something real quick. Man, did they make it? I think they might have made it where you can't get on it no more, y'all. What? I mean, I don't know, family. What is going on here? Why is it not, Gerald, hold on for a minute. Westlaw, Maryland. I'm gonna have to look this up. Rules. Title 2. Maryland. Title. Bro. What is going on? Why is this like this? Did they change this because I was doing too much? Maybe they changed this because of me, because I was actually using Westlaw to show people how to see every, you know what I'm saying, every law you could imagine, and how to, you know what I'm saying, how to interpret it and everything. And now what's happening is every time you click on any link for Westlaw, it just brings you back to this page. See how it's showing you right here? Look, family, see how it's showing you the subtitles for sexual assault and all of the different laws and codes, right? That's where it's supposed to take you when you click on this. But watch this. When you click on it, right, it's supposed to take you to a page where it shows you all of the different titles, all the different rules. You can go through them, browse them. You can read the different penalties, all that stuff. But every time you click on any of these links, look what happens. It goes back to this one site. This is where it's taking every link back here, right? Where it's a list of all the different states, right? And it's supposedly the website it would take you to, which is Westlaw, right? Followed by AZ rules for Arizona, right? For Arkansas, it's probably, RMG, right? And if we go down to Maryland, right, it's saying that the website is what? governmentwestlaw.com/MDC/index, right? But when we click on that, nothing's happening. It goes back to the same website. Now, I promise y'all, this did not used to do this. So I'm going to have to look into this a little bit more. All right, but I ain't going to keep holding y'all. The whole purpose of me doing this was just to let everybody know the new information that I got. You know, got my nice little update. So now all I got to do is go up to the NBA, take them this paper, show them that clearly they're supposed to be titling things in my name. And, yeah. We back out there, baby. We back out there. I just got hired by Amazon Flex, too. So Amazon just literally sent me my onboard email telling me that I can start doing delivery. So, yeah, we can get back into, get back popping into things. And I want to start doing some freelance stuff myself, because I gotta get my name out there and start doing more to help others and spread information. But look, y'all remember to be positive, be optimistic, keep positive people in your circle. It's your boy Jay Giddens out.